Hey everybody, this is the dashboard. Now in this video, I don't know what this driver was doing. They got out of the turn lane and started driving the wrong way down the road to wait for the light to change to turn into Walmart. They couldn't wait in the turn lane. They had to get into the oncoming traffic lanes and turn. Be careful out there, people. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to keep these videos coming your way.
You going straight through this morning?
Yeah.
Okay.
Damn, did you slow down?
What the hell? You see what I'm seeing?
I do.
What an idiot.
Sure what the hell that was about.
And then they come all the way over to the outside lane.
Well, I gotta go to Walmart right now.
Yeah. Of course, I guess it.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.